I'm not sure who the person is, but they're saying I've had a lot of Astraved fire ceremonies with Shiva Baba over the past 15 years. Is Triambakam the best mantra for major disease? Could Narasimha help? Absolutely. Triambakam is the Mrityunjaya mantra, and it is very good for healing and also helping you to come out of when you're going into sliding, like you're sliding downhill with disease. So it will help to bring you out of that because you're going towards, not being able to come out of it. So you need that divine intervention to take you away from further slipping or sliding. So yes, you can sing that mantra or listen to it or meditate on it for disease. Narasimha will rip out disease because disease is dis-ease. You're not at ease with yourself. And it's manifesting as a medical, physical problem and also mental, emotional as well, right? And can impact your finances, relationships, and so on. It's not a good idea. So we had this idea in previous lifetimes called karma, and here it comes again. So Narasimha will rip that out of you. So ask for that. So the more we know about these archetypal beings and we know what they can do, they're like surgeons. They will just rip it out. They will cut it out, rip it out, whatever they got to do. They will get it out of you. So definitely you can get the blessings from Narasimha to help you with your health. Sometimes when I say, when I'm reciting mantras, my breath naturally slows way down. My eyes go up and backward and back and forth and flutter. I'm wondering if there's some extra special thought. Normally when this happens, my mind is just about empty or word that may indeed release the disease that is in my body. Any suggestions? Okay. This is what everyone does who has a problem. They come and they say, what mantra will work for me? And Dr. Ply will always share that, listen, go to your doctor or a holistic healer or whoever it is that is giving you the physical care and attention that you need, because that is your karma. Karma is action. You've got to do something in this world. The divine will intervene as you're doing that because it has also the ability to support you energetically, to help you to come out of that karma, to keep you elevated in that state of consciousness that will allow the healing to take place. So if you're just coming and you're saying, I've got this chronic disease and what mantra works for me, Dr. Ply will always say, go to a specialist. You got to follow your guidance of your medical doctor or specialist, whoever it is. You got to change your lifestyle and then also add the mantras. So you can add any healing mantra. Sarabhana Bhava is also very good if you pray to Lord Muruga. You should go and get an astrology consultation, whoever this person is. Sorry, I can't see your name. You get an astrology consultation and get a medical astrology consultation. So they will give you direct mantras for that particular problem. They'll direct you towards the mantras or the beings that you can propitiate for that particular problem. So in general, yes, Mrityunjaya Homa or mantras will work for you. Narasimha will also support, but for you specifically, from a spiritual perspective, you can go to an astrologer, get a medical astrology consultation report, and then they will give you guidance as per your situation. And you will also change your lifestyle and you will change your way of thinking about your situation, bring more optimism to the problem. I'm alive. That is the first thing. I'm breathing. Thank God. I'm in this program or any other program that you're in with Dr. Ply. When you enroll in a program or you show up for a program, you're showing up at his feet to get the teachings. So he's already taking your soul into his hands and saying, okay, how can I help you? And then you will, by and by, you can overcome your disease. We've had so many testimonials over the years and over the decades of people coming out of very bad cancers, stage 4 or beyond, you know, like they were just skin and bones, and they came out of it. Some people died. It's not up to each and every one of us. It's up to our soul's evolution. And even people who have been very close to Dr. Pillai who have passed from a disease. He just said, I couldn't do anything because their soul was so strong. It just wanted to go. So you have to really talk to your soul. You got to feed your soul. You got to do your ancestor tarpanam. That will really help to propitiate the ancestors whose genes you share, and perhaps it's not a one-off answer appropriate for this type of question and situation. So we have to be thinking about how are we caring for ourselves? What care and attention are we putting towards ourselves? Are we avoiding things? Are we, sort of sweeping things under the rug, hoping it goes away? We need support here on the earth plane, and we also need divine support, and we got to change our attitude. And we have to talk to our soul, feed our soul with good thoughts, feed our soul with all these teachings and remedies that we're doing. So hopefully that has helped you a little bit. The time for the Shrimbhazi Fire Lab tonight, if you go, Radha, if you go on to Pillai Center, they should send you an email. It's at 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, as far as I know. Can maybe go on to the, check your inbox if you signed up for it, and let me know if I'm incorrect.